At Sullivan Brill Personal Injury Attorneys, we provide skilled legal representation for victims of truck accidents in Mount Kisco, NY. Whether your crash involved a semi-truck, delivery vehicle, dump truck, or commercial hauler, we conduct a thorough investigation to determine fault and build a strong case on your behalf. Call our truck accident lawyer if you have any questions. Are you looking for a truck accident lawyer near me? You can stop looking. You found Sullivan Brill Personal Injury Attorneys. Who can be held responsible in a truck accident? Potential defendants include the truck driver, the driver's employer, trucking company, vehicle owner, cargo loader, maintenance or repair shop, and even the manufacturer of faulty parts. We investigate every angle to identify all liable parties. What evidence do you need to build my case? Key evidence includes the police report, driver's logbooks, inspection and maintenance records, black box, ELD, data, witness statements, video or photographic evidence, medical records, and expert accident reconstructions. What is your service area for Mount Kisco, New York? Our truck accident lawyer has helped clients in Mount Kisco, Bedford Hills, Bedford, Millwood, Chappaqua, Croton-on-Hudson, Katona, Pleasantville, Thornwood, Armonk, Pound Ridge, Hawthorne, Lewisboro, Briarcliff Manor, Ossining, Goldens Bridge, Valhalla, Cortland, Elmsford, New York. Where is your Mount Kisco, New York law firm located? We are located at 118 North Bedford Road, Mount Kisco, New York 10549. Our phone number is 914-477-5766. Visit our website, www.sullivanbrillfirm.com/personal-injury-lawyer-mount-kisco-ny.